When I first came across the Manifestation Magic page, I was really impressed once I opened the video. The music, the scenes and the voiceovers were really compelling. I was eager to find out more, so I had to dive right in. Firstly, we had to find out who was behind this program. In the first video we were introduced to Alexzander Wilson and his role behind Manifestation Magic. Alexzander is a known spiritual teacher and best-selling author of multiple law of attraction and spiritual books. And this program is a compilation of all the knowledge he gained from his life experiences and best techniques to harness the law of attraction so that others may change their lives. Now you may be wondering, what will you get inside your package? 1. You will receive a quick start manifestation guide. This is the main ebook guide that will show you how to make the most use of the program, including the guided instructions for the best usage of the audio tracks. 2. 7 energy orbiting tracks to enhance chakra wealth energy. That is Twilight Transformation, Daytime Wealth and 10-Minute Meditator Part 1 and Part 2. This will assist you with removing negative and limiting thoughts through the use of powerful theta waves when listening to the audio tracks. Studies have shown that the best time to do this is when you are asleep, because the brain is more receptive to subliminal suggestions, and this is the time where the subconscious can be most easily influenced. Now on to the bonuses. Who doesn't love receiving some bonuses, especially if they are awesome? So, with this program, you are getting a whole bunch of value, including 2 surprise bonuses. Bonus 1 is the Chakra Power System. Helps to eliminate fears that you have around receiving money, feelings of disempowerment, feelings of unworthiness and confusion in regard to what your life purpose is. Bonus 2 is the Transformation System. The Transformation System helps with wealth awakening, mystical qigong, the heartbeat, show string relaxation, stargaze, divine tranquility and whispering waves. Plus 2 surprise bonuses: the Abundance Miracle System and 7 Sacred Signs. You may be wondering, how will Manifestation Magic help you? So now that you have a better idea of what it is you are about to get, let us get down to how it can actually change your life for the better. 1. You have to be willing to put in the work and effort. A lot of these law of attraction programs are packaged so that it seems you do not have to do any work to manifest your greatest desires. They make manifestation sounds like it is very easy. But to be honest, you can never get something for nothing. The manifestation program requires you to read the books and listen to the audios. It might be a lot of work, but if you are willing to take this step towards your life abundance, then this program will for sure benefit you. 2. Easy to use, simple plug-and-play system. A very good benefit to the program is that it is very easy to set up and start running. The whole program is digital and you will have instant access to it upon purchase. So, no long shipping times or delays. So, the whole system is handed to you with specific instructions on how to use it and apply the techniques to start manifesting in your life. It is designed to remove your negative thoughts and replace them with the positive thoughts that will eventually lead to manifestation of abundance for you. 3. The Manifestation Magic program will help you with your paradigm shift. If you are familiar with the law of attraction, you will notice that most law of attraction teachers always say you need to shift your paradigm from the old ones before attempting to create new ones. The only way to manifest new abundance is to remove all the old limiting thoughts, beliefs and patterns of thinking that are blocking you from your own success. Manifestation Magic helps you to do just that. Especially if you make full use of the 7 energy orbiting audio tracks. I found that these are very effective. 4. The content is well paced and built for long-term growth. Unlike a lot of programs where you could finish their material in a matter of hours, Manifestation Magic is designed for long-term use, so that restoring your abundance mindset becomes a part of your daily life. The content is also well paced, so you will have to practice consistency by building powerful positive habits. For example, the Chakra Power System audios take 7 weeks to complete, so you know that it is well spread out. The best part of this program is that it is 100% risk-free, since there is a 60-day money-back guarantee that is offered. Click the link in the description below to get 70% discount and discover how manifestation magic can help you plant better thoughts into your mind and manifest the life you deserve.